So, welcome students. Now we are going to start the new exercise 6.3 in lines and angles, NCERT book class 9th. But before to start the solving problems, let us discuss one or two more important observations. First one is that when the base angles of a triangle are bisected and bisectors meet at a point O, then the angle made at O is equal to 90 degree plus half the vertical angle. You can see here that if A, B and C is the triangle, if A, B and C is the triangle, base angles are B and C and we are drawing bisectors of B and C angle, they meet at O, then certainly angle BOC will be equal to 90 degree plus half angle A. And this is very important observation. Now is the question how to prove it or how to show it. Very easy to show it. You just start from the triangle BOC. As for the proof, in triangle BOC, what we see that half B plus half C plus angle O will be equal to 180 degree. Half B plus half C plus BOC. These all angles are equal to 180 degree, and if we go on adding A by 2 both sides by ourselves, then what we will get? This will become equal to 90 degree plus BOC equal to 180 degree plus A by 2, because A by 2 was added both the sides. Now see the result. Angle BOC becomes 90 will be taken this side, 180 minus 90 degree plus A by 2, and consequently it becomes right angle plus angle A by 2. So in this way we can show the result, and this is very important result or observation, that if the bisectors of base angles meet at O, then the angle BOC will be equal to 90 degree plus half the vertical angle or half angle A. The next one is related with the external bisectors. Here we have taken internal bisectors. Now next one is the internal bisector result, and that tells that if two internal bisectors of base angles are joined to meet at O, then angle BOC so formed will be equal to right angle minus half the vertical angle. Means here we are talking about, let's suppose ABC is the triangle and here is external bisector of angle B, here is external bisector of angle C, let them meet at O, then certainly angle BOC will be equal to 90 degree minus half angle A. This is also very important result. And how to prove it? See, we just start from this triangle. As for proof, we in triangle BOC, what we will do, that here we have got the exterior angle B, here we have got the exterior angle C, but in this triangle only half the exterior angle B and half exterior angle C are there with us. So we will write exterior angle B by 2 plus exterior angle C by 2 plus BOC equal 180 degree angle sum of the triangle. And now what we will do, we will replace exterior angle B by A plus C, because we know that when a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle or external angle, exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. So that is why we will replace this exterior angle B by angle A plus angle C by 2, and here similarly angle A plus angle B by 2, and BOC will be at its place 180 degree. If we calculate this, then we will get the LCM to ACAB plus BOC equal to 180 degree. And now see, ABC is here 180 degree, A plus 180, A plus 180 degree by 2 plus BOC equal to 180 degree. So it will be equal to A by 2 plus 90 degree plus BOC equal to 180 degree. If we take these two this side, we will get our required result, BOC equal to 90 degree minus half angle A. So in this way we show the required observation. So both these two results are very, very important, and it should be learnt by heart. It should be learnt by heart. So I am sure that you all are able to understand these two results very clearly, and hope that you will use both the results whenever or wherever required. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be back with more results very soon.